begins this turn against jersey number 23.
Captain number 3 sa white, sa black. 77 sa black. Okay, ready. Timer, okay?
And let's get it for the takeoff. First possession to the team of black shirts, Team NGB. Nepomuceno, jersey number 77, called for an in-out cross. No good for the 10. Shot clock down to 12. Nepomuceno, shot clock down to 10. Nepomuceno, 8. And there's a call for a foul. Team number 1. Shot clock down to 12. 10. From downtown, using the glass is no good. Made a big shot it. First throw. No good for the second throw. Let's see it. No good for Mr. Danciel Ernesto. Shot clock down to 8. And second throw, no good. Nagawang bola na punta kay jersey number 30. Bukaw, pass to Nepomuceno. Jersey number 77, Nepomuceno. Naghahanap ng pasa at nakapasa nga. Wow! Tatlo ang pinawi. Nepomuceno from downtown, too short. Score po natin 1-0 in favor of your team, Hoop Mentors. And paalan jersey number 2, kick out pass to Danciel. No good for Danciel, jersey number 3 for the team of Hoop Mentors. Nepomuceno, jersey number 77, and 1. Connects 3 points. At iniwang nakabukas, jersey number 23, Caralipio. 5 minutes and 10 seconds to go for our opening quarter. And Rabang, mid-range jumper is no good for Rabang. Shot lock. And given jersey number 1 for the team of Hoop Mentors. Nagmamadali. And kinilingan na nga. Masyadong malakas ang pagka-jelly nitong jersey number 1 of Rabang. Rabang pass to jersey number 77, Nepomuceno, looking for a play between behind the back. Pinoy step. Hanggang sa dalawa, kulang nga lang sa pahit itong si Nepomuceno. And paalan 1v1 jersey number 2. Masyadong malakas na lang ang bitawan itong jersey number 2. Nabalik nga lang kay paalan. Masyadong pa rin malakas. Teston, ganon din. Kulang pa sa warm-up itong mga green shirts ng team ng Hoop Mentors. 4 minutes and 20 seconds to go. Shot clock down to 20. Nepomuceno, speed move. Using the glass is too short for Nepomuceno. Caralipio, jersey number 30.
Set!
Shot clock down to 14. And Caralipio, good for 2 points. Mandatory substitution for both teams. 5 out, 5 in. Nepomuceno. And pass to the corner, back to Nepomuceno, intercepted. Shot clock down to 12. Side step at 3 ni Pomoceno, too short. Kulang pa sa warm-up pa rin. Itong si jersey number 77 ni Pomoceno. Bagong pasok itong jersey number 0, Heredero. Ayan na pass to jersey number 3. And Teston, no good. And Jariel, binakaw niya na. Jariel once again. And good for 2 points ng kanyang kasama. Caralipio, 2-pointers. 7 against 3 in favor of your team. Hoop Mentors leading by 4 points. Last 3 minutes. Bungay. Jersey number 23. Shot clock down to 14. Nepomuceno another try. Showing some handles itong Nepomuceno. 8, 6. And intercepted by jersey number 1. Guzman, you're the man. Kulang nga lang sa pagka-shoot itong Guzman. Good. Ganda sana ng move. May kasabit ka pa. And Guzman, go for a Euro step. At may tawag ang ating referee. Shot clock down to 10, 8, 6. And Teston, jersey number 6 with a follow-up is no good. Lambingan sa ilalim, may nahulog na. Fast break opportunity for Ibon. Lumipad ka na. Kulang pa rin sa pagkapahin itong pagkalabas ng bola. Jersey number 1, Guzman. Nagmamadali. Good for 1 point, Guzman. Nine against 4 in favor of your team, Hoop Mentors. Another man for Guzman. Pass to Heredero. Good for 2 points. 11 against 4 in favor of your team, Hoop Mentors. 1 minute and 40 seconds. Shot clock down to 12. And Bungay. And Guzman! Kulang pa rin. Hindi pa rin napapalad itong jersey number 1, Guzman. And Testo, jersey number 6, shot clock down to 12. Up, contra fake. Masyado ka namang fake. Unregistered. One minute to go. Nepomuceno shot clock down to 14. Jersey number 77. Inararo ng sarili, kulang pa. 5 kayo sa court, isa ang nag-aararo. And Heredero with the finish, good for 2 points. Heredero. 40 seconds to go for the opening quarter. That's 40 seconds. Back to Nepomuceno. Shot clock down to 14. 12, 30 seconds. Nepomuceno from downtown, too short. 25. Ernesto Bang! Good for 2 points, dancing. 15 seconds on the game clock, plus 15. That's 10. From downtown, too high. 5. Good for 2 points, Heredero. And that's the end of our first quarter with a score of 4. Heredero pass to jersey number 2. Sobrahan sa tapak itong jersey number 2. Sobra sa kanyang number itong si Patalan. Traveling violation. 16 against 4 pa rin po ang ating score. 6 minutes and 40 seconds. Kapasimula lang po ng ating first half. At binalik na naman itong jersey number 77 ni Pomoceno for the team of NGP. Nepomuceno looking for a nicer play. Pass to Rabang. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Another 3 points. Shot clock 8. Step through. No good. At napunta nga itong si jersey number 0, Heredero. And a pass to Caralipio, jersey number 30. Bumigay. Turnover para sa team ng Hoop Mentors. 6 minutes.
Sa gitna lang lagi ang bola para makapenetrate.
Rabang from downtown. Another go, no good for Mr. Rabang. And Guzman, jersey number 2, kick out pass to the short corner to Guzman. Teston sa ilalim once again, good for 2 points. Teston. 5 minutes and 30 seconds to go, 4 against 18 score. Jersey number 77 ni Pomoceno, naghanap naman ang kanyang oh, what a block for jersey number 6, Teston. 5, and Rabang from downtown. Extra pass, it's no good for shot clock down to 10. 8, almost 7, jersey number 7, 7, 5.
Oh, kabilang bola.
Ano na yan?
3 minutes and 30 seconds. Bungay. Bungay called for a fake and a jab. And serves it in, no good. Steal by Nepomuceno. Diniretso niya na, kulang pa sa finishing touch. Itong si Nepomuceno. Jersey number 30. No good once again. Three minutes to go. Shot clock down to 14. Nepomuceno. 12. Ere-tere tumingin pa sa kalaban. Good for 2 points. 4 against 20. Score 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Second quarter. Shot clock down to 12. And Palas with a shot. Good for 2 points. Guzman. Good for 2 points. Bungay. 2 minutes to go. Overshot itong si Dansil. Agawang bola sa ilalim ng ring. At may natawagan at pinakita ng offer. Just 1 minute to go. 1 minute to go. Nepomuceno. And jersey number 77 once again. Jersey number 23. Nepomuceno once again. Shot clock 10. Traveling. Violent. And a good for 2 points. Teston. Last 30 seconds. 14 on the shot clock. Still. Good for 2 points. Paalan. 20 seconds. 15. 10. No more shot clock. 5, 3, and
Ready?
start of our second half, third quarter. Wow! What a game nga lang si Nepomuceno. It remains 2 points. 2 points for Nepomuceno for your team, NGB. Two points, jersey number 14, 04, Rabang.
Bawi, bawi.
On the shot. What a three step. Good for 2 points. Bungay. Our score 10 against 30. Two points. Rabang. Remaining time 4 minutes and 15 seconds. Nepomuceno using the best, good for 2 points.
Bawi. Bawi, bawi, bawi.
Two points. Paalan.
Gitna, gitna, gitna.
Shot clock down to 10. This one. Pero shot no good. Paalan 2-pointer. Score po natin 14 against 34. Same ball. Shot clock 10. Hey, 2 minutes.
Tayo, tayo, tayo. Guys, guys. Sige na. Guys.
1 minute and 30. Foul and one.
Okay pa. Jante, ready. Bonus shot lang yan, bonus shot. O, sa labas ng tuwid, sa labas ng tuwid. Kuyang. Sa labas.
And Clidoro coming in. Guzman 2 points. 50 seconds. Ten. That's 30. That's 20. What a flexible shot, good for 2 points. Guzman. That's 10. 5. That's the end of our third quarter. Off for foul. Ernesto Angeriel connects 2 points. Shot clock 10. 5. What a JD Ace, good for 2 points. Pungay. Good for 2 points, Ibon. Heredero 2 points. Two points, Ibon. 20 against 44. Alan, 2-pointer. Two points, Ibon.
Gusto? Ayan.
Next game po natin, Galitote Phoenix versus Galitote Team B. Shot clock down to 14. 10. Nepomuceno, 2 points. Score 46 against 24. What a night in Isto. Shot clock 10. Three minutes. Guzman, 2 points. Shot clock 14. 10, 7, 5. And 3 points. Two minutes to go. Best on, assisted by Heredero, 2 points. What a move! Nepomuceno, 2 points. 1 minute to go.
Kalma lang, kalma, kalma.
All for a foul. Last 51 seconds, good for 1 point. 1 point. Connects 2 points. Guzman. 55 against 26. That's 45.
Oops!
All for a foul.